Hello magical colors. Today we have Sonic. Let's draw Sonic. To draw Sonic, what do we need? We need one pencil, few colors, and a marker. Okay, so let's draw our Sonic. To draw Sonic, it is very easy. Just follow the steps. Okay, so what do we need to make a Sonic? We're going to make First, we're going to make a line, not too down, not in the center, little bit up, but we need some space for Sonic hair as well. Okay, so I just made one line, and now make like a backwards V. Okay, and from here we're going to make one upwards line, curve, make a round, go in, and make a line inside. There you go. From this side also we're going to do the same. Okay, going to make line, go up, make a curve, come down, in, and make a line. Good job. Now make a circle for the nose. Let's make a pupil. Make one circle here. Let's make one more big pupil here inside the eye. And let's make one little circle here as well. Okay, now Sonic needs an ears. Okay, so let's make pointy ears that's coming towards inside. Okay, so let's do it from this side as well. Pointy ears goes out and come inside like a backwards V. Now we need to make one dot here in the center and make it like a pointy U. Backwards U. Okay, that's so simple, right? Now let's make an inner ear. So go up, go in, and come down and make a triangle like. Okay, again go up, go in, and come down and connect. Okay, so this is our beautiful Sonic ears. Now we need to make one line that is coming towards down, and we're going to make a mouth first. Okay, let's make a mouth first. So what are we going to do? We're going to make just a U shape that is connecting towards this side. Okay, and then let's make a smile of our Sonic. We're going to make some hair that goes down and connect by the face. Okay, that goes down and connect by the face. There you go. Now what do we need? We need to make a body. Okay, so just leave little space from here to place two hands. Okay, so let's make one line goes down, one more line that goes down, just parallel to each other. Okay, side by side. Okay, now we're going to make two hands. We're going to connect from the mouth, go out, make a line, and here also we're going to make a line, and this time we're going to come closer. Okay, because here our hands are, shoulders are broader and the arms are not broad. Okay, less broad. That's it. Make one line. Okay, and make one more curvy line like a U. Okay, and connect. Now we're going to make a letter backwards J, big one. And from this side, go a little bit slant and make one more J. Okay, that is the hand. Okay, let's do it this side as well. Make an arm that goes down, just like almost same place. Yeah, and then we're going to make here narrow. Okay, here is going to be broader. So let's make narrow line that goes down here and close it like a U shape. Again, we're going to make a one big letter J and one backwards letter J. That goes for the thumb. So easy, right? Now let's make a deep U for the Sonic body inside. Okay, now let's make legs. Go down and then go down in a slant for two legs. But this doesn't look like leg. I know. Now we need to put one backwards V here. Okay, so we're going to start from here and go up and narrow down and come back right here. That's it. Now we need to make a line and close it and make a line. One more line inside and make 2 dots and 2 dashes. Just a 2 dash. Okay. And from here, go down, go out. Go down, make a line, go out, and then curve and close it. Okay. This is the shoes of the Sonic. It has like white curve on the front. It has 2 lines in the back. Okay, that's very simple. Just go down, make a line, curve, and close. Okay, and do the same for inside as well. Just make a curve and close it. And make this side 2 lines as well. Shoes are red and white color. Okay, the Sonic is a blue color. So go ahead and let's do some coloring. Now Sonic is ready. Let's write Sonic. Okay, how to write Sonic? S-O-N-I-C. That's it. Let's do some coloring with our blue and peach color. Okay, for the skin tone. Let's add some hair as well. It is coming from the back side. See how we made a curved line? Do not do over the hand, okay? Just do it behind. Just 2 slant lines. That's it. All done.